Stock market today. S&P stalls after Fed's Powell speaks on inflation. U.S. stocks couldn't maintain onto modest profits, ultimate lower on Wednesday after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell concluded his first day of testimony on Capitol Hill as a part of his semi-annual document at the economic system. At 4:12 p.m. Eastern Time, the Dow Jones Industrial Average turned into down 47 points or 0.2%, even as the S&P 500 turned into down 0.1% and the Nasdaq Composite changed into down 0.1%. Powell visited the Senate Banking Committee this morning and will visit the House the next day. He told lawmakers the Fed is strongly committed to taming inflation and assured them that the economy is robust enough to withstand hobby fee increases used as a device to gain that aim. Powell additionally stated the tempo of destiny price increases might depend on what the information is telling the significant financial institution about inflation, whether it persists or is cooling off. He recounted that at the same time as a recession isn't the purpose, it is able to be an outcome. It become only a week in the past that the Fed raised charges by means of 0.75 percentage point, the most important circulate in many years, and Powell said every other 50 to 75 basis point growth could be inside the making on the July meeting. Banks are already elevating their expectations for a recession. Yesterday Goldman set the percentages at 30% in the subsequent 12 months, whilst Citigroup is now pronouncing there's a 50% danger of a global recession as customers pull back on spending. President Joe Biden has been trying to do his part to ease inflation, asking Congress to suspend the federal tax on gasoline and diesel fuel for 3 months. Energy shares were overwhelmed with the aid of falling oil fees. Crude oil WTI futures fell almost 4%, to $105 a barrel, and Brent oil futures crude fell 3.4% to $110.76. Gold futures had been flat at $1,840 an oz. ConocoPhillips NYSE COP inventory fell extra than 6%, while Marathon Oil Corporation NYSE MRO shares fell 7%. Occidental Petroleum Corporation NYSE OXY fell 3.6%.